Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Redmi 9AT and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera mirror effects at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode with the back camera. To get access to the mirror effect we have to change back camera to the front one, so let's do it by tapping on this button from the right. Now hi again, and let's move to the right corner. When we pick this one, we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. From here, let's go to the left and pick the settings button, so we can open the advanced camera settings. Here at the second position, now we have mirror front camera option, so by using the button from the right we can easily turn it on and turn it off as we need. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.